Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2018 Ford Escape Titanium, stock reference number 3844. This shape runs from the 9th month 2016 and is the current shape. It has a DW10 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. DW10 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right-hand front, right-hand side and right-hand rear. We have the left-hand headlight. We have the left-hand fog light with surround. This vehicle is fitted with factory 19-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light. Left tailgate garnish. Right-hand rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with some rash and a good tyre. Driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control dual zone heater controls, factory sat nav unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunroof and sunglass holder type, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster. The vehicle's only done 309 kilometres, and a 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.